Let me introduce you to CareShield Life, Singapore's national long-term care insurance scheme. As we look at this slide together, I want to acknowledge that discussing long-term care can feel overwhelming, but understanding your options is one of the most caring things you can do for yourself and your loved ones. CareShield Life is built on four essential pillars that provide peace of mind during life's most challenging moments. First, financial protection. This scheme safeguards against the significant costs of long-term care, providing basic financial support when you or your family need it most. The reality is that long-term care can be expensive, and this protection helps ensure that financial stress doesn't add to the emotional burden families already face. Second, lifetime payouts. These are monthly cash payments that continue for life once you qualify due to severe disability. This isn't a one-time payment that runs out when you need it most. Instead, it's ongoing support that recognizes that care needs don't have an expiration date. Third, universal coverage. This protection is available for all Singapore citizens and permanent residents. This inclusive approach means that regardless of your background or current health status, you have access to this essential safety net. Fourth, it was established in 2020, launched on October 1st, replacing the previous ElderShield scheme with enhanced benefits and broader coverage. The statistic shown here is sobering but important to understand. 1 in 2 Singapore residents are expected to develop severe disability in their lifetime. This means that statistically, either you, your spouse, your parents, or your children may need long-term care at some point. While we hope this never happens to our families, CareShield Life ensures that if it does, you won't face the financial challenges alone. I want to share some genuinely positive news about important changes coming to CareShield Life in 2026. These enhancements represent the government's continued commitment to ensuring that all Singaporeans have robust protection when they need it most. And I believe these changes will make a meaningful difference for families across our nation. Effective from January 1st, 2026, there are 4 significant improvements to the scheme, and I want to explain each one carefully because they demonstrate how the government is responding to the evolving needs of our aging population. First, and most significantly, there will be an increased payout growth rate. The annual growth rate of CareShield Life monthly payouts will be doubled from 2% to 4% for the next 5 years, from 2026 to 2030. This is a substantial enhancement that recognizes the reality of rising healthcare and care costs. What this means for you and your family is that your monthly payouts will grow much faster, helping to ensure that the financial support keeps pace with the actual cost of care. Second, there will be premium adjustments. I want to be transparent with you. While payouts are increasing, premiums will also be adjusted to ensure the long-term sustainability of the scheme. This is a responsible approach that ensures CareShield Life remains financially viable, not just for current members, but for future generations of Singaporeans. Third, and this is where the government's commitment really shows, there are enhanced subsidies. The government will provide $570 million in subsidies to help cushion the impact of premium increases. This massive investment demonstrates the government's determination to ensure that enhanced protection remains affordable for all Singaporeans. Fourth, the same eligibility criteria will remain unchanged. You'll still need to be unable to perform at least 3 of the 6 activities of daily living to qualify for benefits. This consistency means that the claiming process remains familiar and straightforward. We've covered a lot of important information today about CareShield Life and the meaningful changes coming in 2026. I understand that discussing long-term care can bring up many questions and concerns, and that's completely natural. This is about protecting yourself and the people you care about most. If you have any questions about CareShield Life or the 2026 changes, please don't hesitate to reach out. Whether your questions are about eligibility, coverage options, the claims process, or how these changes might affect your specific situation, there are knowledgeable people ready to help you. For more information and personalized assistance, you can visit the CareShield Life website at careshieldlife.gov.sg. Check the CPF board website or call the hotline at 1-800-222-3399 for personalized assistance from trained professionals. Thank you for taking the time to learn about CareShield Life today. Remember, this isn't just about insurance policies or premium payments. It's about ensuring that you and your loved ones have the support and dignity you deserve if long-term care becomes necessary. The 2026 enhancements make this protection even more valuable, and I hope you feel more confident about the security this scheme provides for your family's future.